Hello friends, this is a 2004 Saab 93. So we're gonna be showing you how to replace your headlight bulbs, okay? Alright, so first of all, you gotta locate right here behind the headlight these two covers. See, you got one here, so you can just kind of pull it back just like this. This is just like a regular flat rubber, just like this right here too. Alright, now I remove the air cleaner so that way you can see better. So like I told you, this is what I'm working on right now, replacing this pigtail. Now you can see better what's the setup of these light bulbs. See, you got the high beam right here. It's gonna be that black handle right there. You just gotta kind of twist it, see, and just pull. They both light bulbs are gonna be H7, okay? So to replace it, you just okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and replace the light bulbs. You see, H7. Okay, got it. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the light bulb back in the same angle it came out, okay? So it's gonna be something like this. See the inclination right there, and then just push it in and twist it until it clicks in. See, right there, it's secure. You can try to pull it back or wiggle it and it's not going anywhere, okay? Now, in the low beam, it's a little different. You can see it's got like a metal clip retainer. See right there? So what you gotta do is that you have to push in and then kind of in and this way so that it releases. You can see it's got like a kind of like one hook here and one hook there. So let's go ahead and try to do it. There you go. Okay. Should have to take this out right there. See? Okay, so just put it with that group down. Now we put the clip. There you go. See how it looks? Now we put the connector back. There you go. And that's it. There you have it, friends. How to replace your own headlight bulbs, okay? Remember, hit that subscribe button and give us some likes. If you have any comments, any questions, or anything on this car, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you next time, okay?